5 foods to avoid for a low-salt diet. A low-salt diet is important for many people to maintain good health, especially those with high blood pressure, heart disease, and other conditions. Here are 5 foods to avoid for a low-salt diet. 1. Processed and packaged foods. Many processed and packaged foods, such as canned soups, sauces, snacks, and frozen meals, contain high amounts of salt. Always read the label and choose products with less than 140 mg of sodium per serving. 2. Cheese. Some types of cheese, such as blue cheese and feta, can be high in salt. Choose lower sodium options, such as cheddar, mozzarella, or Swiss cheese, or opt for non-dairy alternatives like tofu or nut-based cheeses. 3. Bread and baked goods. Bread and baked goods, such as crackers and bagels, can be high in salt. Look for products that are labeled low sodium or no salt added. 4. Sauces and condiments. Many sauces and condiments, such as soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressing, are high in salt. Choose lower sodium alternatives or make your own sauces and dressings at home using fresh ingredients. 5. Pickled foods. Pickled foods, such as pickles, olives, and sauerkraut, are often high in salt. Try to limit your consumption of these foods or choose low sodium options. It's important to keep in mind that a low salt diet doesn't mean a no salt diet. Our bodies need some salt to function properly, and it's okay to include a small amount of salt in your diet. However, it's important to be mindful of the sources of salt and choose lower sodium options whenever possible. In conclusion, avoiding high salt foods is an important step in maintaining good health and reducing the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and other conditions. By choosing fresh, whole foods, and limiting processed and packaged foods, you can help keep your sodium intake in check and support overall health and well-being.